everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for Spiegel Mom Scraps, and I am working with my June How to Kill a Kit with Style kit, which is based around the Penny Lane collection from My Mind's Eye from like 2009, I think. And I'm starting out with some mixed media on this background, and I'm mixing some gold Heidi Swap texture paste with some coffee shimmers, and it's the original shimmers, so it's the liquid one, and I'm just smushing it through the stencil that I have, and then I'm going to make some splatters. This layout is going to be pretty monochromatic. I am going to add just a little bit of color with my sequins and another embellishment, but I am sticking kind of with this brown. So this picture is of my son, and he was at a field trip at the Castle Museum that we have here, and they have a Houdini exhibit, and so he was like super excited, and we got this picture of him, and I just love it. So he looks so happy and like he's having so much fun. So I pulled out my wood veneer, which is part of my kit, and just chose a whole bunch of them and decided that that was going to be a main design element on my page. And so I'm just kind of lining them up as you see here. I'm trying to decide what else I want to do with this page. I really struggled with this one. This is my third attempt at this layout or scrapping this particular picture. It's been on my desk for like 2 weeks, and I just was so stuck, and I don't know why I couldn't just get it together. I think it's because I was trying to do something a little bit different than my normal, and it just felt wrong. So I scrapped my original idea and chose to go with this. This is still completely different for me, but I am going to stick with it and keep going. So I was thinking about doing some little strips up at the top and bottom and putting some wood veneer there, but those aren't going to stay. So I'm working on my title here, and I'm using these craft letter stickers that I got from the Target dollar spot a long time ago. And I'm just making the title. It's not very imaginative, it's just fun at the castle, and I'm using a wood @ symbol for @ just another way to get another one of those on the page. Excuse me. So I'm doing this little tearing technique, and I'm layering another paper behind on the top and the bottom. I do also have my paper matted on one of the papers from the Penny Lane collection as well. So I'm just using another one. Both of them are brown and have little spots of color on them. And then I'm going to pull out the Nature Walk sequin mix. And I absolutely love these. It's a gorgeous mix of green and wood grain, and I figure it was a perfect way to add just kind of a little pop of color without being too much, and to kind of keep this monochromatic feel that I'm going for. I did use my stapler just to hold those little tears down. And now I'm pulling out 2 of these little clips that I have been hoarding forever because I didn't know how to use them. I think they're from Basic Gray, and again, they're pretty old. They were from when I was doing swaps on scrapbook.com, which was, I don't know, 6 years ago, 7 years ago, something like that. So I'm just gluing down my title, and then I'm going to work on the sequins. I did get a new toy. It is a rhinestone picker, and I got it off of Amazon.com, and it was, I don't know, like $6 or $7, and it is amazing. It is like way better than the Silhouette pick-me-up tool, and it's still a little sticky because it's brand new, but I am working on dulling it down a little bit, but it's perfect for picking up sequins and putting them down. Yeah, I highly recommend it. So I'm just scattering the sequins around, and like I said, they just add a perfect little pop of color without being too much. And also the sparkle that it adds is just amazing. So if you are going to be doing any sequin shopping, be sure to use my code Daisie15 for 15% off your next order. Head on over to the Spiegel Mom Scraps Facebook group, which is 15 Minutes to Scrap with Spiegel Mom Scraps. We have a lot of, there's a sketch challenge going on where you can win $10 to the shop, and you don't want to miss the new sequins. So thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye.